come and dance a polka. So in this piece, all your left hand, just using finger 5 and finger 1, play C, G, and B, G. But you have to play the staccato throughout the whole piece. So your hand gesture is really stable here before you touch. So you have a beautiful C shape. All the nail joint, palm joint, second joint all come out. So make the C shape before you start to play. And then staccato. Using the fingertips of the pinky. So the staccato moving by your elbow. Right hand, same thing. So you should have a beautiful hand gesture before you start. And then especially when you play the double note. So different with your left hand. Just now we talk about play the left hand staccato using the elbow moving up down. But when you play the right hand, the double 6. So look at my hand, arm. Where I'm moving? My wrist. So when you play the fast double 6 or any double notes, always using your wrist moving up and down, just like that. Something like a tap or play a basketball, just tap, 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 tap. But the good hand gesture is ready. Again, fingertips. So the practice with the staccato really help you to using the fingertips and practice more supportive muscle training. Just your wrist moving up and down. All right, so now I play the complete song.